della parte là del che verde da dove inizia.
No, è importante, però se devi
Not yet complete. Non è ancora completo.
If you look to the right side of the aircraft, you'll see Sergeant Henry. While they're installing the laser guidance unit on one side, if you look to the crewman working on the other side, Airman Markel is in the process of installing the wires I mentioned earlier that will go between the aircraft and the bomb and activate the various functions of the bomb when it leaves the aircraft. You can launch this bomb from a distance away and guide it to the target. This bomb can fly on its own approximately 10 kilometers after it leaves the airplane, depending on the altitude that the airplane is whenever it releases the bomb. And then the guidance unit
sulle salette, no? Si muove le ali, non lo può con le mani, lui si